Welcome to Learning Reaper. I'm your host, X.E.L.O. Today, we're just going to cook up. That's today. Today, we're just going to cook up probably some boom bap. We're going to use some Serato Sample. Let's get into it. Let's get the beat going. Let's go. All right, so here we are in Reaper, and this theme is called Reaper Tips. So let's kind of get started. I do have some samples that I had for a while, so I'm going to use those. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to pull up Serato Sample. Those who don't know, Serato Sample is a really dope sampler, and no, it is not free if that is what you're thinking or want to ask. But it's a really dope sampler. I'm going to show you a couple of things about it. I'm just going to drag and drop this sample into it. So basically what this will do is allow me to have all these things as different keys on my keyboard. Or if I had a drum machine, it would be the same thing, just adding these keys to the drum machine. You have a whole bunch of different options to actually do stem separation, so you can separate things. So if a track has drums or bass, any kind of like sounds, this would be like right here. And then this would be like for vocals. So if you have vocals inside of the sample that you're using, you can actually change that. Really, really cool. Pretty simple to use. Gives you like the key of the actual sample, the beats per minute that it has. It tells you like you can detune it if you wanted to and change the key. So really, really cool stuff that they have here. So I'm just going to play it in kind of we're going to try to do some chops. All right, so I'm just going to kind of align these chops up a little bit. Let's find some drums and then we can kind of get everything going. All right, so I'm just going to use this drum sample. This is also from a kit that I haven't released yet. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to release this kit to you guys. I'll put it up on the website so you guys can actually download it. But yeah, definitely let me know. So here is what the drums sound like. Use some Serato. All right, so let's run with that. So let's make this into a 8-bar loop. Let's insert MIDI item. And let's see if we can record this. Right, and what's cool about Serato, like I can go in here and I can kind of remove that bass from there if I wanted to. So I can just go in here and go to this bass and take the bass out of all the samples, right? So that 808 that was in there is no longer going to be in there. Right, so I can just take out that bass if I wanted to. With Serato, I could change the key of the tracks if I wanted to. So let's see if we go up 3 semitones. right? So now we have a nice little bounce there. We can add some other instruments in here if we wanted to, just to make it a little bit more full. All right, so I'm just using 808 from my free kit, which is called the Smash Kit. So this is one of the 808s from there. All right, I'm gonna put on obey note off. I'm gonna take off these voices to make it one voice. All right, and to stop the pops and clicks, I'm gonna bring this up to 4. And I can also do a portamento just to make sure if I want to slide a note, I can do it if I want to, right? So that's pretty much where we want to be with the 808. All right, so let's add the 808 in here real quick. All right, so let's do a legato for these. Make them all stretch out, right? So that it'll just sustain the 808 itself. I'm going to quantize them so they don't go over the lines and see how it sounds. All right, so what I want to do is I want to have another section for this right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bounce it out. So I'm going to go to render freeze tracks, and I'm going to go to this one to render track stereo stem track and just do it that way. So now I have the stems for that sample, right? And I want to probably reverse this one just so that I can kind of hear how it sounds. So I'll highlight it. So I have a key set up to reverse the sample. So I'm going to reverse it and hear how that sounds. All right, so more than likely we'll have to slice it and kind of move it around. So let's do that. All right, so now that I have that, I'm just gonna grab these, just bring it back up to the main track up here. I'm gonna delete this track out of there. So now I have the reverse and I have the regular forward playing right here. So I can kind of intertwine those inside of the track. So that gives me another option to get a different kind of mix inside there if I wanted to, right? So this is what it sounds like reversed. right, so something really simple that you can actually do inside of Reaper. This is really like a really quick kind of beat and just put together for you guys. If you have like any questions, comments, please leave them below in the comment section of the video. And yeah, once again, it's your boy X.E.L.O. Until next time, I want to thank you guys for watching Learning Reaper. Peace. Hey you, yes you. YouTube wants you to watch this video next, man. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not going to keep waiting here. All right. I will see you in the next video, though. Peace.